in the quest for a hyper-realistic representation of a steampunk deer in a lush steampunk forest, cutting-edge scientific and technological advancements were harnessed. The goal was to capture intricate details using advanced photography, imaging, and post-processing techniques. High-resolution DSLR cameras and scanning electron microscopes, coupled with AI-generated image rendering, ensured precise captures of the deer's features. The resulting image showcased the awe-inspiring beauty of the steampunk deer in its vibrant surroundings. The color palette emphasized rich, warm tones with metallic accents, capturing the industrial fantasy aesthetic of steampunk. Subtle, diffused lighting created an enchanting atmosphere, while seamlessly integrated mechanical elements added depth to the natural environment. Tags such as steampunk, deer, and forest attracted the appropriate audience, reflecting the image's essence. Advanced techniques like HDR, focus stacking, drone photography, and 3D modeling were employed, along with post-processing to enhance the image's impact. To ensure the safety of human photographers in the steampunk forest, comprehensive medical procedures were essential. Regular health checkups, safety gear, and training were implemented. Remote monitoring systems and robotic assistance mitigated risks associated with the unique environment. Obtaining Star Trek-level technology posed challenges related to funding, infrastructure, and ethical considerations. Overcoming these obstacles required substantial investments in imaging, rendering, and AI technologies that align with the capabilities depicted in Star Trek. Within the steampunk forest, medical procedures focused on comprehensive health assessments due to potential exposure to hazardous elements. Remote monitoring systems and robotic assistance improved safety. Advanced medical technologies were employed to address any unforeseen health concerns. This project exemplified the pinnacle of scientific and technological advancements in photography, pushing the boundaries of imagination. By capturing the harmonious fusion of a steampunk deer in a lush forest, it seamlessly merged art, technology, and nature. The success of this endeavor showcased the boundless possibilities of photographic expression and sparked contemplation on the coexistence of the mechanical and organic realms.